Azimio, La Umoja, One Kenya coalition will have additional representation in Parliament, apart from the leaders of minority in the Bicameral House, if the Leader of Opposition Bill 2023 becomes an act. And as Seth Olale reports, the bill, which falls under the category of a money bill under Article 114 of the Constitution, reflects recommendations and views from the public contained in the National Dialogue Committee report that include electoral injustice and multi-party democracy, among others.
The leader of the Opposition Bill 2023, which is among those prioritized for debate by the leadership of the National Assembly, defines the functions of the leader of the opposition, which shall include representing the interests of the opposition and providing an alternative policy agenda and constructive criticism of government policies. The bill also outlines the functions of the two deputy leaders of the opposition, who shall be the principal assistants to the leader of opposition and shall deputize the leader of the opposition in the execution of the functions of the leader of the opposition's functions, which include fostering cooperation and constructive engagement between the government and opposition in the pursuit of national interest, participating in state ceremonial functions and international parliamentary events on behalf of the opposition, promoting public awareness and understanding of the role of the opposition in a democratic state. The appointment, swearing in and removal of the leader of the opposition shall be within 7 days of the swearing in of the president. After a general election, the Chief Justice shall, in accordance with the Article 92A of the Constitution, swear in the leader of the opposition as determined by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. The Chief Justice, or in the absence of the Chief Justice, the Deputy Chief Justice shall administer the oath of allegiance and the oath of office to the leader of the opposition to provide for in the schedule, affirming commitment to upholding the Constitution and serving the interests of the nation. In the event that the designated leader of the opposition, as determined by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, refuses or is unable to take the oath of office within the specified 7-day period, the Chief Justice shall proceed to swear in office the person designated to hold that office in accordance with a resolution of a party or coalition agreement. The leader of the opposition shall assume the functions and responsibilities of the office upon the completion of the swearing-in ceremony. Removal of office of the leader of the opposition shall be by a resolution of the party or coalition of parties which garnered the second greatest number of votes in the immediately preceding presidential election, if the person is sentenced for a term of imprisonment of at least 6 months and has exhausted all appeal or review relief available in relation to that case, or if the person is unable to perform the functions of the office arising from mental or physical incapacity. Upon the removal of the leader of opposition under Section 6, the Chief Justice shall forthwith swear in to office the person designated to hold that office in accordance with a resolution of a party or coalition agreement. The remuneration and benefits payable to the office of the leader of the opposition and the two deputy leaders of the opposition shall be a charge on the consolidated fund, and that the office of the leader of the opposition shall have access to necessary facilities, resources, and staff required for the effective discharge of the functions under this Act. Seth Olale, Citizen TV.